Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe it is crumb cake. Although it is a cake, I baked it into muffin forms, so it's easier because I'm bringing them to work for my colleagues, so it's much easier to bake it in individual servings, which is in muffin forms. This crumb cake is pretty delicious. It's simple but it's delicious. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So this is 2.5 cup of enriched all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup packed of demerara style sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt. We're gonna mix this, and then we're gonna add in 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. I am using extra light olive oil, but you can use corn oil, peanut oil, canola oil, whatever vegetable oil you'd like to use. Now we're gonna mix this, and then we're gonna remove about 1/2 cup to set aside, and that will be our crumb topping. Again, this is 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, but I'm using extra light olive oil. You can use corn oil, peanut oil, canola, or any other vegetable oil of your choice. Now remove 1/2 cup. Set to side. Now add in 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon to the topping mixture that you set aside for 1/2 cup. In a bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then we're gonna crack an egg and add in 1 cup of buttermilk. Now we're gonna blend well this mixture, the wet mixture. So again, this is 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 whole egg, and 1 cup of buttermilk. You can use balloon whisk, fork, electric blender, but you can also use your wooden spoon. Now we're gonna mix this or pour this mixture into our flour mixture. Mix it until just combine, so do not over mix the wet and the flour mixtures. Again, do not over mix, just until combine. Now pour mixture onto your square pan or whatever pan you'd like to use, and top it with your dry topping or crumb topping. As for me, I am using giant muffin today, muffin mold. And again, pour the batter, top it with crumb topping, and then they are ready to be baked. Bake on preheated 375 Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes.